What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today guys, we will playing Flood Escape 2. Also a little stick here. So seeing, I've been playing this game. I don't know when my buttons. Been winning on some of these games. Oh what? So yeah, I'm dancing. Yeah, I'm done. Dude, that guy's done. Like, like literally, this guy's gonna die. Oh, good. Damn. Thank. Did people actually went here? I think he did went here. It's not my first time playing here, but it's already. Wait, what? You could actually breathe right there. Well, did I save everyone live? Ah, seriously, you're the. Oh wait, never mind. Dude, what? How was he invisible? Oh, was it just a dumb dream again? Oh shit, I fell. Oh well. Okay, oh baby, press that candle, what? Oh my gosh.
Who goes there?
Okay, Crestone live. Hurry up, dumb baby, bro. Cause I have been working on Flood Escape. Like you wanna reach level 12, you gotta be smart and learn some shortcuts to press the button. I'm gonna show you some shortcuts today, guys. Well, like right here, I think there's shortcuts. So I'm just gonna press this button. Then it's gonna take my air and put the normal air again. Okay, next level. So, I don't think there's a shortcut right here. Cause I never passed this. I'm not gonna lie, I never passed this. I literally know that that's a guest. You know what? You should never be a guest in Roblox. I'll tell you 3 reasons why they bully you. That's one. And oh fuck, I fell by an accident. Oh fuck, where are you supposed? Oh wait, you're supposed to go. Stupid. Stupid. I'm so stupid. Guys, you're supposed to go that side, you dumbass. fudge, I died. Are there people? 2 people are still alive. Oh wait, oh, I think there was a circle right there. Was there? No, okay, there wasn't a circle right there. Dude, that guy is braver than that. What a piece of shit, baby. Oh wait, I literally know this. Why isn't that piece of Jimmy Super Mario Galaxy? I can't expect him that shit. Is he barely joining or what? Poor G-Mix. You have to work all alone. Like last time, I worked all alone in that fucking level. I was so close to pass it. But when I was all the way over there, guys, like over there where that blocks were, I died because nobody was with me. I was like, wait, what? Why is nobody with me? I was sad. Nobody with me. No, seriously, I was sad. I was thinking. Look, right there, like, you always have to die, because you always have to press that button, look. Wait, that could be make it alive. Oh, there's a mine on it. Dude, this guy actually made it out alive. How did he make it alive? That's so fucking odd. I'll get the hell out of here, you big ass tube. Oh, actually, nobody went this side. Odd. Oh, wait, it's only 4, stupid. Oh, fat ass noob, get the hell out of here. Sorry for bullying you, but still. Jesus, don't you know how to press these dumb buttons? Jesus. I'm the only pro here or what? Jesus. Okay, get the hell out of here. Okay, I know that cube is blocking me. I know that cube's blocking me. Now I gotta go down here, press this stupid red button. Go under here, and done. Okay, Jimmy X, baby, Dude, you stupid. You're supposed to go down there. Yeah. Up. Okay, we are outside, I think. Oh no, oh wait. I think I'm gonna press button for everyone. Is Jink Mix? No, I think that guy's gonna die. No, okay. Dude, I can't. Oh shit. Okay, dude, are you sure you're gonna press that button? So one of the shortcuts that I can't do is usually this shit. You could actually, oh fuck, I'm already dead. Oh wait, that guy is right here. I'm gonna join next round. Fuck! I mean, fudge! Nope. Dude, who's gonna press that dumb button? Don't you? Wow, she's brave enough then. Shut the hell up. Wow, she's actually brave enough than everyone. And you guys are babies! Dude, max player, the button's right in your face. At least I'm back. At least Jimmy made it, because this guy's a pro. Dude, what are you doing? Don't wait for the acid. The acid easily takes your health out. I told you. You never listen. Ah, you dummy. Noob. Wow, you even know what you usually. Oh my god, dude, there's a ladder. Can't you see the ladder? You blind ass. Nah, you stupid. You're already lost. Just climb up that shit until you die. Wait a second. Oh, you are gonna die. Dude, you can shoot your. Just go up the side. Stupid. Okay, next level. Dude, what the fuck is the button? But the button is right here. Dude, you're stupid. What's up, Jimmix? So little. Are we the only pros here or what? Dude, I am the only pro. We both are the only pro. I'm late. Go, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Nah, bro. She's not gonna make it. Hurry up, bro. Dude, hurry up. Jesus. He's not gonna make it. Even us. Come on, bro. You always gotta learn some shortcuts. So there was a shortcut you guys saw. Bro, don't die. Oh my god, you were so close. Alright, hurry up. Rip that ugly lady right there. I think it's only 4. Oh no, there's more. Never mind. Okay, you press that button. I'll press this button. Dude, I meant you press that button. I press this button. Okay, I gotta press this button right now. I gotta press this button before she even does. Oh, Jesus. Dude, hurry up. Dude, hurry up. Dude, hurry up. Lava's rising. So, guys, dude, can't you just... Okay, I'll make it first. Hurry up, bro. So, there's a new map. There's a lot of maps coming. So, last one, and that's all. Okay, guys? Because... Hard. Yes, it's hard. Oh, shit, dude, are you gonna make it? Oh, this bitch fell. Oh shit, I wasn't jumping. Everyone, go right here. Go like this. Go like this. It's somebody press that button. Button. Stupid button. Someone press that stupid. Is this button pressed? Oh shit, it is. Because that somebody has to press that. Oh wait, there it is. Okay, dude, hurry. It's about to be red. Wait, did she? Okay, she actually made it. Where's my partner? I think my partner died by acid. Rip her. Which I can see. They're up. We're my good friend. I told you I was 3. Dude, night. Stupid night. Night. Oh, hurry up. Dude, hurry up, can't you? Night. Stupid. Oh, wait, you actually survived. Oh, well, I hope you liked the video and see you